Hi, this is Jeff Jones. I am from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. I'm going to spend the next couple of minutes going over three main reasons or three things that can help you eliminate buffering from your streaming device. If this is your first time visiting any of our platforms, whether that be the YouTube channel called Stream Machines, whether you see us on Rumble or even Odyssey, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and click the notification bell or any way you can just stay in touch with us. We are building this channel organically, even though I've had a larger YouTube channel, but since streaming became big for YouTube TV, I had to shut it down. Without any further ado, let's look at the three things that can help you eliminate buffering if you do these three things right now. Now, if you don't know what buffering is, let's say you're watching a movie or a TV series and all of a sudden this constant stuttering is happening over and over and over. That is what we commonly call buffering. So I'm going to go over three things you can do right now that will eliminate buffering. It has helped me eliminate buffering completely from my streaming platforms, and I hope it'll do the same for you. So the first thing that you can do is check to see if you have too many devices on your network. Oh my gosh. Everything connects to the internet. Our smart TVs, our smartphones, our smart watches, our smart washer and dryer, our stoves, our appliances. Everything is eating and draining your wireless data package. So let's say for this example, you have four teenagers or middle-aged schools and high schoolers. Each have four phones. They each have a Vizio TV. You and your partner, husband or partner, however you want to be, identify, so to speak. Let's say you guys have your own devices and you only have a certain amount of data every month. If you connect a box to a wireless network with all of those devices, you are guaranteed to buffer. If at all possible, we recommend highly recommend that you look to plug in Ethernet or directly if you can. If your router and modem or internet setup allows you to run an Ethernet cord from their modem or router into the back of your streaming device, you will win. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you eliminate all of the devices that are connecting to your wireless network. If you don't, you're going to buffer. All right. Number two, you need to have utility apps that eliminate background applications or just utility apps. Let me explain to you real quick. This application in the Google Play Store is the background apps and processes list. When I open this, you'll see all of the apps running in the background. Okay. These are applications that are running on a consistent basis that if I don't close them, enough of these will cause a disturbance in the force. You will probably, without a doubt, begin to buffer. And what you're going to do is blame it on the box. Stop it. 99% of your issues when it comes to streaming is because of your personal network in your home, your condo, your car, or your apartment. It falls on you. Not the cable company, not the box or your provider who gave you the box or who someone like myself resold it to you. It is you. Fix your crappy internet, have a better experience. Great internet, great experience. Crappy internet, I think you know where I'm going with that. So what you could do is what you can do is, for instance, let's say you see one here, ad lock. If I want to go ahead and not uninstall but force stop it, I can do that and go back. And it'll do that automatically. It'll take it out. Let's say I'm doing splash top add-on. I want to force stop that because I don't want it running in the background. It'll eliminate that. If you're on a Formula device like I am, let's say you press the home key twice. 1, 2. And now you can see all the background apps that are there. So I can always hit the red button to clear them all. It is up to you to have utilities that not only clear the background apps, but also clear your cache. And what do I mean by that? So if I go down here and I go to apps, and let's say I go to Privado. This is my VPN. If I go down here, if I hit this or click on clear data, it's going to eliminate the username and password that's there. Clear cache, though, will clear your cache and nothing will happen with your credentials, but that's what it does as well. We will recommend a cache cleaner from TV Doc. I think it's Dr. UK. He's a big YouTuber. I bought his cache cleaner and his background apps cleaner. I think it was like $3 each lifetime. Phenomenal, phenomenal. I'll put a link in the description. It's in the Google Play Store. So you have to have utility things. The last thing that you want to do is number 3, stop renting the internet equipment from your cable company. If you are renting internet equipment from your cable company, it's not as good as you bought your own. One, because you're losing money by renting it, $20, $25 a month. You're paying them to rent equipment that's not as good. 2, you don't have to do it. You could just go to your website, the website of your internet service provider, and they will recommend the right equipment or hardware to be able to use on their network. You get a good modem, you buy a new router, now you own the equipment because now it's better for streaming. And the last thing I want you to do, if you're renting equipment from your internet service provider, please, 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 before I close out the video, make sure you call your internet service provider and make sure you're on a streaming package and not a regular internet package. There is a difference because if you don't ask, they're not going to tell you. And if they have a streaming package, they will upgrade you to that. So those are the 3 things I wanted you to know. That's number 1, get rid of all the devices, too many devices on your wireless network. Number 2, make sure you have some utility apps that can at least get rid of the background applications. And finally, number 3, if you get rid of renting the equipment from your internet service provider, it will definitely boost your performance. Hey, once again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name is Jeffrey Jones. I am the Boxman, and we are so glad that you're with us. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description for one of our boxes called the One and Done. You can get a box that has 60 months of live TV and sports and all that entertainment for just $190.36. This box is taking it by storm, and I'm hoping that you'll take a look at it myself, okay? Have a great day. We'll